All right, so we're testing this out right now. We're actually recording from the actual phone, and this is a night scene right now, and you can pretty much see a fisheye. This is fisheye. All right, so we are filming here. You can see the actual camera recording. It's a fisheye, fish lens, all right, and it has motion detecting. And you push the button, you're gonna hear it here. You're gonna hear it on the phone, if you can see it, and you're gonna hear it inside the actual building. So if you hit it again, it's sitting far away. We could answer here. We could send a text message to it, and or we could just hang up. All right, for deliveries, it's perfect. All right, today we're gonna bring a doorbell with a camera on. This is a very important security camera that you need to have at your front door. Now, the reason is that we have a shop here. We have a lot of people coming in, and we keep our doors locked all the time, but we don't hear them unless they call us. And this is one way they're going to be able to hear them from the outside, right? Now, this business here that we run, we actually have a lot of people coming in and out, but that's why we keep it closed. So this one not only has a doorbell, but it has a sensor too, a motion sensor and a fisheye camera. And we're going to show you guys how it works. Now, this part right here is going to require 3 batteries, all right? 3 AAA batteries in the back that you slide this to the back. 3 AAA batteries is going to require for this part. And then you have this, which is chargeable. Now, in order to remove this part for the actual base, there's a little lock mechanism underneath of it, all right? So just be aware. It comes with the tools and everything included. So let's go ahead and take this apart, and we're going to drill it in the front. Right, so included with it, like I said, they give you screws, all right? They give you double adhesive tape, so you could take it out. And then, of course, the charging station and the actual tool you're going to require. Now, using the tool, there's a little area here in the case you have to push it down, and the thing comes apart. All right, so this is like a security thing, so they won't steal it. It has a lock in here, right? So this is what you're going to drill on the wall. USB type C that you charge it in. On the other side, this is where you're actually going to add the memory card, all right? The micro SD card if you want to record 24/7, all right? If you want to capture anybody walking in front of your door or anything like that, or you could buy the cloud services, all right? So right now we're just going to plug it in and see how it works. That's one tone. That's another one. We're gonna download the app. They give you the instructions how to download it, all right? All right. More cam, that's the name of the app. All right, so to turn it on, you're gonna have to hold down this button, all right? We thought it was no battery dead, but it was just a button. So right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for this one, all right? All right, we're connecting to it right now. So I'm gonna put it on mute, but this is the actual camera, if you guys can see how it's looking right now. And we could record here. We're recording, as you can see. Now, you got a couple options here, right? You could save it, screenshot, intercom, original sound, motion detector, and siren. Go to next, you have your album. And this is what we just captured right now. And you can put auto or so forth. All right, so. Goes here. Locks in. In order to release it, you gotta push the needle, right? So just to let you guys know, look at this. He's gonna push the button on the outside right now, right? And let me show you. You can push the button, and look at that. It just came in right now. He's pushing the button, if you guys can see that.